Hello everyone, this is Heading Tian. In this video, let's learn about the Chapter 2 project. This is a surveys and Venn diagrams project. So let me talk about this. So what's the meaning of the question? So in the project, create your own 2-question survey using online DIY tools. So I recommend the SurveyMonkey. It is free and easy to use. The question one statement must be representable by a 2 Venn diagram. So what does the 2 Venn diagram look like? If I have a, let me choose a pen. If I have a diagram, Venn diagram, for example, this is a universal U, and the 2 circle, they're like a 2 circle. Maybe they are overlapped, or you can have the circle like this. But for me, maybe they look like the first one, the overlapped one. So how many parts of this 2 circle diagram? Part 1, maybe I can say this circle A, and part B is here. I mean, A is here in this part. B is like this. And the C is in the middle. I use dots. And the outside, I use triangles. This is if I say this is part D. So there are 4 parts in this Venn diagram. That means if I'm making a question, so I better to, if I use the multiple choice question, I better to have 4 multiple choice in my answer. So for example, the first question I can make, which class do you prefer? So the first question is online. First option is online. Second one is face-to-face. I shouldn't have these. And then number C is both. Number D is none of the above. So in my diagram, number A is online. So people, if choose online, they are the people here. And then second one, face-to-face, face-to-face. Online is A, face-to-face is B, and both is in the middle, that's a C. It doesn't like a C. So C, both. And the part D is none of the above, so it's outside of the 2 circles. Number D represent none of the above. So when you are making the Venn diagram, you can also use some tools in the world or in other applications. If I'm using the word tool, I can erase all of this. So I can click insert shapes. So I can click the oval. I can draw so first is not oval. First should be, yeah, rectangular shape. And next one, draw 2 circles. I hope they are transparent because I can see the overlap part. So if transparent, the shape fill, I can choose no fill, and the shape outline, I can choose maybe choose red and make it thick. Choose 4. This is number A, and then draw insert another shape, oval, like this. You can move it. You can move this shape. Okay, make it transparent. No fill. So fill, shape fill is no fill. Shape outline. I choose yellow, and the weight I can choose 4.5 pt. So move them together. A, B, and C. You can make it bigger like this. So make this shape bigger. And this one, make it bigger. So I have this kind of shape. So we need a survey to find how many people choose online, how many people choose face-to-face, how many choose both, and then none of the above. And then I can fill out the 4 parts of this Venn diagram, and also how to insert the text. So text box, maybe just choose one, is too big. So maybe like this, move it to the right position. If I move this one here, I can say here. If this is the B, I can say face to face. A B, face to face. And how many people? I can say N, B equals. So just depends on the survey. I don't know how many people in the part B part, in the B part. I can also continue to insert, so insert a text box, or I just copy this. Copy this, C, Control C, Control V, and then I can move this. Okay. I'm not sure why I can't move it. Yeah, this time works. So correct, this one is A, and here is online. Online. So choose online. And then A. And here I can also paste, copy paste, slim. And then move it in the middle. So I can see number C, both. BOTH. And then put the number of the both there. And then here outside, I can say that's number D. I put it here. D. Just to say D, none of the above. And then ND. So I don't want to waste a lot of time. So you complete this part by yourself. Okay, the second question. So when you are making the second Venn diagram, you must know what does the Venn diagram look like. So if I draw the picture of the Venn diagram for the 3 circle, so most often, maybe we have this kind of shape. And then we need to fill out all of this part information. So for example, if here is A, so this part is A. This part is A, and for example, now here is B, is this part. Number C part is this part. And then number D maybe is A, B, number E is this part, and number F, and this is G. So divided into different parts. And then outside H, I can say that's H. So totally we break it down into the 8 parts. So you can use a multiple choice question to provide 8 answers. For example, my second question, which class are you taking this semester? So you can ask math. First one is math. Second one, English and history. Math, English, and history. Math and English. And math and history. English and history. Next one is H, none of the above. So when you are using this, filling the Venn diagram, you must be careful because some question numbers, so A, B, C, D, don't match the A, B, C, D here. Why? Because look at maybe number E, because number D, so A, B, C, D. So if, let's see, D, D, I choose it here. If I correct it, the number D, that's the math, English, and history, these 3. So the area should be here. So this is number D. So let's correct it. This is number D. This is a D, and let's clean this area, because, for example, number E, math and English. So A represent math and B represent English. So A is math, B is English. So math and English. So math and English is E. So the part E is here, right? So if your survey, the people choose this. For example, you have 10 people choose math and English. That's the area of this part. So if you are looking for the part only here, not the part here. So in your survey, if people choose the E, which is math and English, you must minus the red area, which is the number D. They take a math, English, and history at the same time. So you will find the area in green, and then you use this information, fill out the green part. I hope you understand this. Okay, let's move on to use the monkey, survey monkey to create the survey. So you must click Google and find the survey monkey, and please remember you must assign the monkey, the survey monkey first, and then you can create your survey. So let's search survey monkey. First one is survey monkey. So click survey monkey. I'm already signed in here because it shows my name. So I can click dashboard. And then there are so many surveys here. So you don't need to care about this. Just click this create survey. Let's create survey. I will prefer to start from scratch because my survey is very simple and very beginner level. So I click start from scratch. So I can say this is my project chapter 2 or project 1. If I click project 1 survey category, so click survey category, I will choose vote or poll. My question are already written. No, it's not ready. So here, one question at a time. Yes, and then create survey. Is creating the survey. This is project 1. Enter a question. So my question is here. Let me copy and paste. First question is, which class do you prefer, online or face-to-face? So which class do you prefer? If you choose multiple choice, the answer, I need to have 4 choices. The first one is, I think it's online. Yes, online. The second one is face-to-face. And then the third one, both. The fifth one is none of the above. And then I finish my first question. So click save. I'm done with my first one. Next one, I need to click another question. The second question need to have 8 choices. So the second question is which class, which classes are you taking this semester? If I put my question here, suggested 8 questions. Yes, that's what I'm planning to do. So, oh, suggested 8 questions. No, I'm just making 2 questions and I will have 8 choices. So my first choice, I think is math, English, history. What is next? Math, English, and history. Math and history. And next one, number E is math and English. Next one is math and history. What is the next? English and history. This is the capitalized H. What is the next? English and history. So let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need the last one. None of the above. So none of the above. Okay, I'm done with my second question, and I click save. So I'm done with my 2 questions. So each question has their choices, and then I click next. That's a preview of my question. It looks like this. Second one looks like this. Okay, so I can click done. Oh, sorry, I didn't preview again. Let me try if I can choose. If I choose online, second one I choose history, and then click done. So I complete the survey, and then click next. Collect the response. I will suggest you click send service your way because it is free and I think it's easy. And then after clicking that, I see share a survey link. So I prefer to do this, share a survey link. So I will click copy. I copied the clipboard, and where I should send my survey. You can go to your D2L. So we're taking this class, and then let me choose view as observer. So click here, collaborations, the class list. So when you scroll down, oh, sorry, I shouldn't let you see the name of the class. So this one, select all roles. You click this button and then click email and then send to, this is all the BCC. And then here you attach you just copy, paste your link and then you send. Sorry, I don't want to send. Send successfully. Never mind. So when the people receive the email, and maybe they will do the survey or not. So if you want to find your email, click this button. So click this button, and then you will see email, and then you click the link. So here is the link. You click the link and then you do the survey for your classmates or yourself. Which class do you prefer face-to-face? Which classes are you taking this semester? So if I'm taking 3 of these classes, I click this. So then I click done. So I'm done with this survey. It's not hard. I think this video won't be that long. And then I can go to SurveyMonkey to see my data. Close it, analyze the result. So analyze the result. When people answer my survey, it will give me the histogram like this. So they won't give you the Venn diagram. The Venn diagram is created by you. So if you don't like this kind of data, you can customize it. You can use this kind of histogram. So it will be like this. Customize your data. It will be like this. So it will show you the data and how many people respond, what kind of option they did. And then what's the next step? Creating your Venn diagram. Also, you need to share the link, present the result. So I clicked this button, present result. And then new dashboard. And then look at this button, save the views, because I only have this question. And after getting all the service feedback or got my result of the survey, I can share my link to my professor. I click this save the views, and then no thanks. So I click this button, share view. So I click share view. So, oh, okay. This is my project 1. If you want to give your page description, you can say something. If you don't, just click get, sorry. So click get link. You can say save, or you can also click here, copy. You copy the link. So after copying your link, you come to your Word file or what kind of file you have. You can just maybe at the beginning of the page, you can put the link here. And then in your Word file, you need to describe what kind of survey of this. Maybe 40 people answered the survey or took the survey. For question one is which class do you prefer? So now you need to have this. So the first choice is online. How many people select online is N of A. For example, I have 10 people select online, and face-to-face, I have 25 people select this, and both, maybe 5 people said both, and none of the above. Just depends on the survey. So I'm creating something, and then you put the information here. So the online, how many people select the online class and how many people select the face-to-face. And next one, so this is my Scratch. I can highlight this and then delete all of this. Take this one. So I delete all of this because I'm not using this. Whatever. So number B. Oh, question 2. What classes are you taking this semester? So right now you can fill out all of this information. The number of people who selected this math, you can say 10 or 12, because this is multiple choice. People can only select one. They can't select 2 or 3. And then you can draw the Venn diagram. So first click the shape, and then 3 circles. This time you must draw 3 circles. So if you have better way to do this, please let me know, because maybe my way is not that the good way. So you can use other ways. You can do this one and then insert another shape. So look at the image. If I don't make them to be transparent circles, so I can't see the overlapped part. That means if I make it like the shape filled is empty or is transparent, so I can see the overlapped part. So click this button or click this button. I'm not sure. So if you don't like your background, so you can choose a different color like this. And this one, you can do this or no fill. And then if you think this is too small, you can't add any descriptions, you can make it bigger. And can I select all of these 3? Yes. So can I make it bigger? Yes, I make it bigger. So make them bigger and then fill out all the information you have. So there are 8 answers. So fill out all of these 8 answers in the Venn diagram. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any question, you can ask me. You can join the Zoom meeting. Also, you can make appointment so I can help you on campus. My main campus is Tomball campus. So you can stop by and ask me. Okay, that's all about the project. This project, chapter 2 project. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.